So we have problem in the economy. We have problem of people, and that is what I'm going to talk about today. We have a lot of Nigerians who have set up small businesses, agro, industry, and they've left those businesses because of the way you and I, who work with them, have run down the businesses.
It's one of the first offline international exhibition in Lagos.
If we want to make this environment better, we should look at the economy, but we should also look at ourselves as Nigerians.
We are the main supplier worldwide in all kinds of fittings, architectural hardware.
We're into industrial productivity solutions.
And what is more is that events like this, coupled with the technology of globalization, would simply propel us to indigenize those things we have seen outside and bring them home to play to our advantage.